Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload stories on Instagram from PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to add stories to your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and in your browser just open Instagram. So you can see that in PC you haven't any option to upload a story on Instagram, but there's a trick to do this. So if you want to upload a story from your PC on your Instagram account, you must have to switch your browser to your mobile phone. So let's see how you can do that. You just have to click on these three dots and then click on more tools, then go to developer tool here. Once you have done, you might see the icon of mobile here. So just click on this option here. There's a toggle device toolbar. So just click on this. And once you have done, just refresh your page. So now you are using Instagram on your mobile. You just have to click on this plus icon over here. Just click on plus icon and then click on post or click on story. And you just have to select your story which you want to add. So for example, I'm gonna add a photo here. Just select the photo or the video which you want to add to your story. And once you have done, just click on add to your story. So just wait for until let's see that you can see here uploading options. So just wait for it. You can see that your story was added to Instagram. So you just have to wait for some more loading here. Or you can exit your developer mode from here because your story is not uploading. Or you can wait for this until it's complete. Or you can also try to refresh your page. Just click on reload or you can wait for it. So once it's done, just go to your developer mode or then refresh your page. Just reload your site and you can see that you have successfully posted a story. You might see a circle over here. It means that your story has been posted. So just click on it to view your story. So in this way, you can easily post a story to your Instagram profile from your PC or computer or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.